My name is Tap Merrick. I'm a 36-year resident of Sunnyvale. I worked for the Federal Reserve System for 10 years, including presentations to Congress, reviewing the expense reports of the 12 regional reserve banks. They transferred me out to San Francisco to solve their cost accounting problems. I wrote San Francisco's cost accounting book. I have coached youth sports for 19 seasons in the area. Many of your children I may have coached, or I was president of Pony Baseball when your kids, if you're my age or approximately my age, some of you look a little younger, maybe, or even kind of possibly yourselves. I've been involved with the city for 9 years. People came to me and said, Tap, can you do something about Peterson Field? And so we gathered the neighborhood together, and we got them together, and we came before the council and before the school district. Tap, can you do something about Santa Clara Square? And it's 9 stories. We got the neighborhood together, and matter of fact, Mayor Hamilton came to the Santa Clara Council to plead in our favor to lower the size of Santa Clara Square.
Thank you.
Thank you.